Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper&Twine. I've come on with my very first Beebeecrafts unboxing. I'll tell you about them in a minute. Need to get into this package. It has come all the way from Shanghai. So, it looks quite well packaged up. Now, Beebeecrafts approached me back in April to ask if I would like to choose $40 worth of items from their online store. And I will obviously leave a link down below. And I had a look and I thought, well, yes, there are some things I would quite like. I'd just seen that lots of people were using wax seals, and that is something that Beebeecrafts do. They sell all kinds of things. Sorry for any rustling. They do a lot of beads and jewellery findings, but I have lots of those already, so I didn't choose those. I chose things that I thought I would enjoy. Now, we had a little bit of a problem. As I say, they approached me back in April and the first shipment just never arrived. And so they've sent another one out. So I've got the product codes here. I will leave a link to those that I can down below. Now, if you have over 100 subscribers, Beebeecrafts do a YouTube program, so have a look on their website. Now, do you know, it's been so long I can't remember what I've ordered. Everything has come in little Ziploc bags. This is the first item, and it is rubber stamps. So that's cute. They've all come in their own little boxes. So this was one set. Let's have a look and see what we've got. So it's kind of quite naturalistic, and I believe they're on wooden blocks. Look at that little bunny. Let's have a look. Oh, I don't want to damage the box, but I think I'm going to have to. They look quite well made. So it's mounted on a wooden block, and this isn't rubber. It is red, but it isn't rubber. So we'll have to see what they stamp like. I'll obviously be doing a video about that, but that's quite cute, isn't it? And then we've got this stag, and I'm expecting it to be the same. It's a really nice image. And it's mounted on the wooden block quite well, but we'll have to see what the quality's like. And you might need to season these with a bit of soapy water, depending what they're made on, to make them stamp. So that's our second one. Then we've got, don't know what this is. Is it a kind of foxy wolfy thing? It's cute that they come in these little boxes, isn't it? I don't think I'll keep them in the boxes because I'll take up too much room. And this is on an orangey. They look very well etched. So it'd be interesting to see what they stamp like. And they weren't terribly expensive. I might make my own box to store these in so that they're all together. And this is a little squirrel. Again, cute. This one looks really pretty, like a little botanical. Excuse the state of my fingers, I've been cleaning this morning. I know, cleaning. That's cute, isn't it? A little bit of script. Nice. And then the last one, oh, a little bird. Now I do like that. And these are perfect for twinches and ATCs. You could do a background with the botanical one and then stamp the bird. This is lifting off. I'm just going to press it down, see if that helps. Sorry if you heard the door slam there. I've got windows open and doors open. So those are the rubber stamps. So I will be doing a video on that. Then I ordered a furnace, I believe, which is good because you will have seen my Crossfire unboxing, and I ordered some rubber stamps, not rubber stamps, sealing stamps, but I hadn't got the furnace. So this feels heavy. It's all well wrapped. Look at the little spoon getting there. So as I say, I will leave a link to Beebeecrafts. I'm sure a lot of you know about them, and there will be a discount code. I believe you get 5% off, and it's for quite a long time. I think it's on every purchase for quite a long time. Oh yes, look, this looks nice. So there's the little furnace. Feels like it's made out of wood, and it's got this rose gold inlay. You stick your spoon on there, and then I've got some tea lights to put in and some mixed colours of wax melts, so that's lovely. And then I think this final one is some kind of set. I don't know, I can't remember, but it's packaged up in bubble wrap. Oh, that's nice. It's like a little faux book. So I can't complain about how things have been packaged. We'll have to see what the quality is like. Oh, right, lovely. So I've got the handle, which has been protected. Get into this, and this unscrews so that you can change the head, and this one is a leaf or a flower, actually could be. Very well etched and nice and heavy. And then do you know, I can't remember what these ones are. Let's have a look. So there's 5 different ones in here, and I think they're all kind of botanical themed. So I've got butterfly, a flower, and hopefully the heads from Crossfire will fit, a maple leaf. It's nice and deeply etched. A feather, that will be useful. And I can't get the last one out. So it's nice that it's come in a little faux book with this kind of velvet. Oh, and look, paw prints. I know somebody who'd like those. So I can store these in here. Which way do they go? Let's put one on the head. Now the thing that I think I might need to invest in is some more wax melts. So 5 fit in there. That's really sweet, isn't it? So go and check out Beebeecrafts if you don't know them. If you are a content maker and you've got more than 100 subscribers and you are interested in working with Beebeecrafts, have a look at their YouTube program. That's me. I will be back soon. Take care, everybody. Bye now.